Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, enable Bluetooth on your phone and set it to discoverable mode. Next, sit in the driver's seat and close doors to reduce interference. Turn the vehicle ignition to accessory or start the engine so the infotainment powers on. Check the radio or display system for a Bluetooth menu option within the settings area. Have common pairing codes ready such as 0000 or 1234 in case the system asks for a PIN. Press the Home or Menu button on the head unit to access settings and Bluetooth. Select the Bluetooth menu on the Cultus head unit and choose Pair New Device to begin discovery. The head unit will scan and display nearby device names, including your phone model or contact name. Wait until the head unit displays a device name that matches your phone before you confirm. When a 4-digit code appears, confirm pairing on both the head unit and your phone. After pairing, grant the head unit permission to access contacts and call history if desired. Allow contacts and call history access if you want hands-free calling and phone book sync while driving. Set the audio source on the head unit to Bluetooth audio to stream music from your phone. Play a short audio clip to test music streaming and make a quick call to verify microphone and speaker quality. If the connection fails, delete old paired devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.